What's up guys, Luis Velez here. We're going to talk in this video about apps that pays you. In this video we're going to talk about an app that I personally have been using for the last week and has been paying me a lot for being a survey app. You know, most of the survey apps they only pay like 3 cents, 15 cents, 10 cents. This app only pays you 10 cents if you do not qualify for the actual survey. But if you qualify for the survey, you can get paid $2, $1.50, 50 cents. Depends on the time that you have been working on the app, depends on all the time, and depends on how long is the survey on the app. So let's get into it.
Guys, the app that I'm going to show you that pays me for surveys is Surveys on the Go. Go here. The app has a 4.5 review. If you get disqualified, like I was saying previously, you get 10 cents. So let's go and open the app. You have your profile. This is where, like, with your location, you need to have your location on. Current balance, payout history. I get paid $10.20. This is my survey history. This is like how much dollars you get paid for each survey. If you get disqualified, like the first one, you get paid 10 cents. But depending, they always pay me. Just take a while. Just take a little more time. There are like easy surveys, really fast. Actually, I didn't know what happened with that one that was rejected. So yeah, that's basically, you get paid with, for redeem you need to have $10. I already have $4.65. You can redeem on all these: Amazon gift cards, Visa, Starbucks, PayPal. I prefer PayPal. I have cash. So
yeah guys, now that I have showed you the app, please like this video, hit the like button, share it, subscription down below, support this channel. We're going to talk about all the hustle, all the apps, everything that exists there that you can make money. Thank you for your support. Thank you for sponsoring the video. Love you. See you guys.